Clug, clug, clug went the motor. I can't wait to show you. Oh, I might as well then. Right, so another unboxing video. Oh, I love these. I'm hoping to provide other services in the near future for anyone who watches my channel. And this is going to require some talking. Now, if anybody knows me, talking isn't one of my weak points. But I thought, well, I've got all the microphones and things, but they're not really designed for chatting. And I thought about getting a camera and a mic. Anyway, while I was getting a Razer PC case, and I'm thinking, all right, for the postage, I'll need to see if I can find some more stuff to help soften the blow. I noticed there was a nice little bundle going on for a headset and an audio amplifier. Intriguing, isn't it? And I thought, well, I did a bit of reviewing and having a look around and see if it was any good. And the headphones is really good on its own, and so was the audio amplifier. Now, this is not a review, this is kind of like show you the gubbins. So let's stop talking. Well, not stop talking, but let's get on with some action. Oh, yeah. So, what did I decide to get? What to do with the trash? I decided to get myself a synthesizer headset, and I've had a synthesizer headset before for audio, and I thought, well, I know the microphones generally inside headsets are pretty bad, but this one's supposed to be quite good, should be for the money, and I thought, well, great. I might use it for when I'm doing videos, chats in the future for uploads, but we'll see. Because I've got a special mic for that. Oh, okay. Oh, always not getting this out. It's freaking dangerous though. Oh, okay. There's one on the bottom as well. It looks good. And you say, well, why didn't you get the brand you normally go? Well, I said, they're okay, but I wanted something a little bit more, the quality for the microphone really, and I heard the others wasn't particularly good. Ooh. 70 years of sound excellent. Condensed in the most advanced gaming headset and audio amplifiers. Okay. Ooh, hello. That's a nice. Oh, it's very. It's a braided cable, which I know, but I didn't realise it was so smooth, as in very soft. So there are some people saying braided cables can snag, or be a bit heavy. Sorry, not snag. And yeah, it's very nice. And there's another one for angled. I believe one's for. Surround sound reborn. Oh, yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. So this is the GSP 600, which is their top of line. And I'll tell you what, looking at it straight away, I'm thinking this looks very nice. Very nice indeed. The box is pretty cool inside. Yeah, so these are large and heavy. No, they're not. Bloody hell. Oh, God, stop it. And so I know these tilt, which is quite cool. And, I'm going to put them on. Alright, we'll pull this out. So they've got a couple of different adjustments, I believe. So, straight away they feel comfy, and I haven't really done anything. They've got adjustments here on the top, which is quite unique or novel to them. I don't know if anybody else has come up with something similar. And the idea is it reduces the pressure here. It's going onto your, once you're not on the bottom of the head there. And I'll do some more viewing on them. We're just going to unbox them and the quality. I don't know if you can. That's a Is it the volume knob? No, this is the one. No, it is the volume knob. So it's tight. Yeah, it is tight. And it's supposed to be like that, so it doesn't get easily knocked, and it's nice and smooth. Well, that's very easy to lift up and down. That's nice clipping, isn't it? Yeah. So that's what, and that does turn off the mic completely. And what they've got is like suede there, leather there, and these are closed back headphones. And I thought, sounds pretty obvious, but I didn't really get it at first. So closed back means there's no sound coming in. So if someone's talking in the room, you'll be going, what, eh? And you'll be talking quite loud because you can't hear what's going through the microphone. So, so I thought that might be a bit of a pain. I also want to listen to the audio. So what I got with it, as part of that little bundle, was the, well, let's get out the bag. Oh, no, I'm going to need my tool. Oh, I think I have to get a better one on that. So, use whatever's to hand. It's called improvisation. Oh, that's all right. So I got myself this Sennheiser GSX 1000 audio amplifier. When it came with it. That's the bundle. They only had that. It was the last one as well. And it was quite reasonably cheap. I think I saved about a third off the price. And if I would have bought all these separately. And that means the headphones and stuff, but all the other things online, there's so many good deals at the moment. And I likes me deals. How are you supposed to slide that out without handling it? I don't want to break it, so I won't have to. It's an original synthesizer. Okay. I'll have to see how you're going to bloody fake this one. Alright, does it just actually... Oh, so I thought it... Oh my god. Failed the mental exam on that one. It's a nice little black box, isn't it? So, trying to see what this looks like. And again, I'll do a proper review of this later on. Very nice. So there, synthesizer. And this goes on your desk, and you've got a little foot to open it up, and the idea is you control your sound and audio. Oh, that is very smooth. Very nice. Just enough resistance so you can feel it going on, so it doesn't easily knock. These are buttons, I believe. Cool. And obviously what you do is you plug everything into the back of here. So again, the headphone set will go in there. Separate mics. You can plug your speakers in here, and a USB. Well, obviously that's giving it its power and stuff like that. There's no extra drivers or control for it, so it really is just for powering it. Okay, so obviously getting the sound from the machine into it as well. So there is audio transfer, but it just works. There's nothing special. All these bits. The main reason for this, apart from it's supposed to sound really good, is the surround sound in it is supposed to be amazing. Is that you'll be able to hear your voice as you're talking. So that gets round the problem with the closed back. So you've now got the best of both worlds. Okay, is there anything else? Oh, I suppose you're saying, well, what else is in the box? Don't know, to tell you the truth. Some USB, maybe. Oh yes, I forgot. Comes with a nice red cable. Yeah, it's very nice. I don't think it's particularly long. Shouldn't be an issue really, but you could obviously purchase yourself another cable. I don't think it's special, but I won't take my word on that just yet. I've got cables like this. What's that, 1.5 meters, 2 meters? I don't think it's 2 meters, probably about 1.5 meters. And of course it goes really nice. And you got yourself a little, something else, didn't you? Get yourself another big book. Quick guide. This is a map. Is it the quick guide for everybody? Manufacturer's warranty. And probably not much else. Oh, safety instructions, prevent damage, intended use. Yes, I've got an intended use for it. Okay, expect more with some actual sound coming out. Oh, maybe not the sound coming out of this, but I will do something. Questions before I actually do the review? Please post. As I say, bye for now.